How can I remove a pytz time zone from a datetime object? Is there a simple way to remove the time zone from a pytz datetime object? For example, reconstructing dt from dt_tz in this example.
To remove a timezone, zinfo, from a datetime object. If you are using a library like Arrow, then you can remove timezone by simply converting an Arrow object to a datetime object, then doing the same thing as the example above. Why would you do this? One example is that MySQL does not support timezones with its datetime type. So using OMS like SQLAlchemy will simply remove the timezone when you give it a datetime object to insert into the database. The solution is to convert your datetime object to UTC, so everything in your database is UTC since it can't specify timezone, then either insert it into the database, where the timezone is removed anyway, or remove it yourself. Also note that you cannot compare datetime objects where one is timezone aware and another is timezone naive.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.